आज है सिद्धू मूसेवाला की 3rd डेथ एनिवर्सरी। तो वहीं आज यानी थर्सडे को सिद्धू मूसेवाला की 3rd डेथ एनिवर्सरी पर फैंस गैदर्ड इन मनसा डिस्ट्रिक्ट और उसी के साथ साथ एक प्रेयर मीट भी हुई ऑर्गेनाइज वेयर मूसेवाला's mortal remains were consigned to flames. Among others, the later singer's family also attended the gathering. सोशल मीडिया पर सरफेस हो रहा है एक वीडियो जिसमें सिद्धू मूसेवाला's mother चरण कौर was seen arriving at the venue to pay tributes to her son. तो वहीं she was also seen holding her newborn शुभदीप in her arms. तो वहीं इस मौके पर सिद्धू मूसेवाला की मम्मी हो गई काफी इमोशनल और इस प्रेयर मीट में कई लेडीज उन्हें कंसोल करती हुई भी नजर आई। आपको बता दें सिद्धू मूसेवाला who unsuccessfully contested the Punjab Assembly elections on a political party's ticket from Mansa in 2022 was tragically murdered on May 29, 2022. He was shot dead by assailants in his car in Jawahar Ke village of Mansa district. Even though he was rushed to a hospital immediately, he succumbed to his injuries before receiving medical attention. तो वहीं सिद्धू मूसेवाला के मर्डर के बाद his parents also led a movement to seek justice for their son. और इसी के साथ साथ a music video was also released prominently displaying a flag with the message justice for सिद्धू मूसेवाला. सिद्धू मूसेवाला थे काफी पॉपुलर एंड स्पेशली अमंग द यूथ और वो जाने जाते थे फॉर कंपोजिंग एंड प्रोड्यूसिंग हिज ओन सॉन्ग्स. ही वाज आल्सो रिगार्डेड एज वन ऑफ द वेल्दीएस्ट पंजाबी सिंगर्स. उनके अनटाइमली डिमाइस के बावजूद मेनी ऑफ हिज सॉन्ग्स हैव बीन रिलीज्ड पोस्टथमसली एंड हैव रैंक्ड इन मिलियन ऑफ व्यूज. सिद्धू मूसेवाला की डेथ के 2 साल बाद यानी कि 2024 में हिज ब्रदर शुभदीप सिंह सिद्धू वाज बोर्न. द बेबी बॉय वाज बोर्न टू सिद्धू मूसेवाला's पेरेंट्स बलकौर सिंह एंड चरण कौर थ्रू IVF. और उस समय चरण कौर की उम्र थी 58 साल एट द टाइम ऑफ बर्थ और इस IVF बर्थ के बाद हुई थी काफी कंट्रोवर्सी भी. तो वहीं आज यानी कि सिद्धू मूसेवाला की 3rd डेथ एनिवर्सरी पर फैंस आर आल्सो डिमांडिंग जस्टिस, जहां सोशल मीडिया यानी X हैंडल हैज बीन फ्लडेड विद ट्रिब्यूट्स टू द लेट सिंगर रैपर, टर्निंग टाइमलाइंस इनटू डिजिटल मेमोरियल्स. The hashtag Justice for Sidhu Moosewala trended as fans paid homage to the icon with emotional edits, lyrical montages, clips from interviews and memories tied to tracks like 295, The Last Ride and So High. For many, it wasn't just a remembrance, it was a demand to keep his legacy alive and ensure that those responsible for his death are held accountable. तो वहीं फैंस ने उनके सपोर्ट में लिखा hashtag 3 years of ignorance, hashtag justice for Sidhu Moosewala. What was the mother's fault in all this? Her only child was brutally shot dead without any fault or mistake. Moosewala parents deserve justice. Biggest heartbreak, unrecoverable forever. 29th May, stay enabled sin, hashtag justice for Sidhu Moosewala. 29/5, hashtag justice for Sidhu Moosewala, hashtag justice in the dark, hashtag Moose forever, hashtag justice for Sidhu Moosewala. तारा सुटारिया और वीर पहाड़िया के रिश्ते पर आखिर क्या कहा नेटिजन्स ने? हाल ही में तारा सुटारिया का नाम जोड़ा गया वीर पहाड़िया से. एंड 2 years आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग अप विद आधार जैन, तारा सुटारिया इज नाउ बीइंग लिंक्ड टू अक्षय कुमार्स स्काई फोर्स एक्टर वीर पहाड़िया. जहां तारा सुटारिया और आधार जैन ने ओपनली किया था अपना रिलेशनशिप एक्सेप्ट, तो वहीं दे पार्टेड वेज इन 2023 और इस साल आधार जैन ने आलेखा आडवाणी से कर ली शादी, which was attended by the entire कपूर खानदान including रणबीर कपूर, आलिया भट्ट, करिश्मा कपूर एंड करीना कपूर खान. रूमर्स नाउ सजेस्ट दैट तारा हैज मूव्ड ऑन. और फिलहाल लेटेस्ट बज़ की माने तो तारा सुटारिया इज डेटिंग एक्टर वीर पहाड़िया, जिन्होंने किया था फिल्म स्काई फोर्स से अपना डेब्यू. The two had walked the ramp together in March as showstoppers as well for a fashion week and were recently snapped coming out of the same restaurant, probably after dinner together. This comes as an interesting development because just a few weeks ago rumors suggest that Tara was in a relationship with rapper Badshah, whereas Veer was reportedly courting Manushi Chillar during Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant's wedding celebrations. तो अब netizens भी तारा और वीर के रिश्ते पर दे रहे हैं funny reactions and talking about possible wedding bells in the future. One social media user stated, on the bright side, if they get married, she only needs to change 60% of her surname. Whereas another joked, Sutaria and Paharia, ये क्या हो रहा? I'll show myself out. Referring to Veer's brother Shikhar Pahadia's girlfriend Janhvi Kapoor, a netizen shared, "Imagine Janhvi and Tara as sister-in-laws." Well, then there were fans who cracked jokes in reference to Veer's viral Langdi step from his debut film. One such comment read, "What is this, Tara? Just because he did Langdi dance around you doesn't mean you date him." While another netizen shared, he got his Langdi partner. A social media user also stated, "Average date night. मैं तो रंग गया रंग तेरे बावरे, जाऊं सदके तिहारे मेरे सांवरे, हो मैं तो झूम झूम के गाँव रे, मैं तो झूम झूम के गाँव रे." लेकिन वैसे कुछ नेटिजन्स का ये भी मानना है कि क्या ये डेटिंग रूमर्स सच हैं या फिर है कोई PR स्टंट। A comment read, "Relax guys, मूवी आ रही होगी दोनों की." Whereas another wrote, "I think they have an upcoming film together. Feels like just a stupid PR stunt." Well. फिलहाल वीर पहाड़िया या तारा सुतारिया ने इस बात पर कोई रिएक्शन तो नहीं दिया है, तो वहाँ नेटिजन्स ने अपनी जजमेंट जरूर दे दी है।
Janhvi Kapoor, Ishaan Khattar, and Vishal Jetwa recently made their way to the prestigious Cannes Film Festival for the screening of their film Homebound. While the film's world premiere was a huge success, the trio's appearance on the red carpet has sparked a bit of controversy. Let's dive into what happened. The actors were attending the screening, giving interviews, and taking in the excitement of the moment. But one short clip from their media interaction has gone viral, and not for the right reasons. In this clip, Ishaan Khattar is seen engaging with a journalist, while Janhvi and Vishal, sitting right next to him, appear to be engaged in their own conversation. Janhvi whispers something into Vishal's ear, and Vishal responds, seemingly ignoring Ishaan's interview, which, by the way, they were also a part of. The internet quickly picked up on this moment, and many fans didn't hold back their thoughts. Some were quick to call Janhvi and Vishal's actions disrespectful, accusing them of being unprofessional during a formal media interaction. One user wrote, "This is disrespectful. Ishaan run." Another added, "Want to school them like a teacher seriously. 5 minute बाद में कर लेना बातें भाई. जिंदगी भर का नहीं है interview." Others couldn't help but comment on the lack of basic manners. Manners are missing, and this is so rude of them. Despite the controversy, Homebound was a hit at Cannes. The film, directed by Neeraj Ghaiwan, received a standing ovation for a solid 9 minutes at its world premiere. It was praised for its emotional depth and powerful storytelling. In attendance at the event were some big names, including producer Karan Johar. The film is also produced by Adar Poonawalla, Apurva Mehta, and Samin Mishra, with legendary filmmaker Martin Scorsese serving as the executive producer. Despite the viral controversy, Homebound's screening at Cannes proved to be a huge moment for the cast and crew. Hopefully, in the future, we'll see more of their hard work shine through, without distractions. It's with a heavy heart that we share the loss of a Tamil film legend. Veteran actor Rajesh passed away early this morning, 29th May, at the age of 75, after suffering from severe breathing difficulties. The news has sent shockwaves through the Tamil film industry and fans alike. Rajesh's journey began in 1974 when he made his film debut with a minor role in the critically acclaimed Aval Oru Thodarthai, directed by the legendary K. Balachandar. What many might not know is that this was just the beginning of a long and illustrious career that spanned several decades. By 1979, Rajesh was ready for a lead role in Kanni Paruvathile, which marked a turning point in his career. Over the years, he became known for his versatile roles, playing everything from the intense, dramatic character to the more fatherly and compassionate figure. Some of his unforgettable films include Andha 7 Natkal, Satya, Mahandi, and Virumandi, where he shared the screen with the industry's finest like Kamal Haasan and Vijay. But what many don't know is that Rajesh was not just an actor, he was a man of many talents. In his personal life, he was married to Joan Sylvia in 1983 and they had 2 children, Divya and Deepak. Unfortunately, his wife passed away in 2012 due to health complications, a tragedy that deeply affected him. Beyond his acting career, Rajesh had a passion for real estate and was also actively running a YouTube channel. In his later years, he developed a fascination for astrology, even authoring several books on the subject. His channel was full of insightful discussions about astrology, a side of Rajesh that many might not know. His last film was Merry Christmas, a Hindi movie starring Vijay Sethupathi and Katrina Kaif. Rajesh's death marks the end of an era in Kollywood. His diverse body of work, including films like Nerukku Ner, Deena, Citizen, Ramna, Red, Sami, and many others, has left an indelible mark on South Indian cinema. Rajesh will always be remembered as a true artist, a man who not only entertained but also inspired with his dedication and love for his craft. Farewell to a film legend.